This should be a level 2 question. It's given that P is the product of 10 consecutive 2-digit natural numbers. If 2 power A is one of the factors of P, then the maximum value that A can assume is. Now since we need to find the maximum value of 2 power A and we are only dealing with 2-digit natural numbers, the highest value or the highest 2-digit number which is of the form 2 power K is 64, which is of the form 2 power 6. Thus 64 has to be included in those 10 numbers. Also, if I am taking 10 consecutive natural numbers, the highest power of 8 in those 10 consecutive natural numbers, or the total number of multiples of 8 in those 10 consecutive natural numbers, can be 2. It can never be more than 2, but I should ensure that there are 2. Thus, keeping these two things in mind, what we can do is we can have 4 scenarios. The first scenario is that the numbers are from 55 to 64. Second scenario, the numbers are from 56 to 65. The third scenario would be the numbers are from 64 to 73. And the fourth scenario would be the numbers are from 63 to 72. Now, in the first scenario, if we look at it, then what are the multiples of 2? So we have 56, 58, 60, 62 and 64. Now 56 is divisible by 8. So I can say 2 cubed into 58 would be divisible only by 2. 60 would be divisible by 4, that's 2 squared. 62 will be only divisible by 2. 64 will be divisible by 2 power 6. So I add then 8, 11, 12, 13. So 2 power 13. So the product of those 10 consecutive natural numbers will be divisible by 2 power 13. From 56 to 65, it's exactly the same numbers. So it will be, because it's 56, 58, 60, 62 and 64. Again, we'll get 2 power 13. Let's look at 64 to 73. First I get 64, which is divisible by 2 power 6. 66, which will be divisible by 2 power 1. 68, which will be divisible by 4, that is 2 squared. 70, which will again be divisible by 2 power 1. And 72, which will be divisible by 8. Adding, I get 7, 9, 10, 13. Again 2 power 13. Similar case for 63 to 72, because exactly the same numbers as 64 to 73. So in all the 4 cases, the highest power of 2 is 13. So A is 13, hence the answer is option C.